The customer brought in their vehicle, reporting that the check engine light was on. To begin diagnosing the issue, I connected a scan tool to check for any fault codes. The scan tool revealed code P0121, which refers to a throttle pedal position sensor switch A circuit range performance. This typically points to a problem with the throttle position sensor, which is crucial for proper engine operation as it monitors the position of the throttle and sends this information to the Engine Control Module, ECM. I performed a road test while monitoring live data from the scan tool to observe the throttle position sensor in action. The sensor readings were erratic, which indicated a potential issue with the sensor or its circuit. Erratic signals from the throttle position sensor can cause poor engine performance, inconsistent acceleration, or even stalling. Next, I inspected the throttle body to ensure it wasn't obstructed by deposits or debris. A dirty throttle body can sometimes cause similar issues, but in this case, it was clean. Then I inspected the wiring harness and connector for the throttle position sensor. I checked for any visible damage, corrosion, or loose connections, but found none. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to test the voltage and ground at the throttle position sensor connector. Both were present, meaning the wiring and power supply were functioning correctly. This ruled out external issues with the sensor's circuit. To confirm the diagnosis, I back-probed the throttle position sensor and monitored its signal using a lab scope during another road test. The lab scope showed the sensor's signal was erratic, matching the earlier scan tool findings. This confirmed the throttle position sensor itself was faulty. Since the throttle position sensor in this vehicle is integrated into the throttle body, the entire throttle body needed to be replaced. To resolve the issue, I replaced the throttle body, cleared the diagnostic codes, and performed a final road test. The vehicle operated smoothly, the throttle position sensor readings were stable, and the check engine light remained off. No new fault codes appeared, confirming the repair was successful. This repair highlights the importance of systematic diagnosis. By testing each component and verifying the results step by step, I was able to pinpoint the issue accurately without replacing unnecessary parts. A properly functioning throttle position sensor is critical for smooth engine performance and responsive acceleration, making this repair essential for the vehicle's reliability.